If you can't log into your Snapchat account, it's probably maybe a reason that Snapchat servers are right now down for maintenance, or it may be some problems with Snapchat servers, and in that video I'm going to show you how to check if it really is. And all you have to do, you need to open up your Safari browser and in browser search box enter Snapchat down and hit search. And now you need to open up that website. It calls downdetector.com. Hit on that link, and there at the very top it says that user reports indicate no current problems at Snapchat, and you can look for more information. Just scroll down that web page, and there you see Snapchat outages reports in the last 24 hours, and also here you can left your report. If you have login problems on Snapchat, you can just hit on login, and basically that's it. You have just sent a report on that website. And also you can go down and read comments about current situation on Snapchat and check if some persons have problems right now with Snapchat login. So now you know how to quickly make sure that Snapchat servers are down or not, and hit the like button if that information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.